In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write O2 and X2 in PowerPoint efficiently and stylishly so that your presentations stand out and maintain professionalism. These formatting tricks can make a significant difference in how your content is perceived, especially when dealing with scientific or mathematical data. Let's dive right in and explore these easy steps to add that extra touch. First, you'll want to head over to your Microsoft PowerPoint application. If you haven't already opened it, go ahead and do so now. Once PowerPoint is up and running, the next thing you'll want to do is to select a presentation you're currently working on or create a new one. You can open an existing file if you've got one in mind, or simply start a fresh presentation to try these steps out in real time. With your presentation open, click on the specific text box where you wish to include these special formatting tricks. This could be within a slide title, a bullet point, or even within a body of text. Choose wisely where it will have the most impact or where it's required for clarity. Once you've selected your text, take your mouse and right-click to open a menu of options. Right-clicking is essential as it bypasses additional steps and allows quick access to formatting tools. In the menu that appears, locate and click on Font. This is where all the magic will happen. You'll see a variety of settings in the font dialog box that lets you modify the appearance of your text in multiple ways. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available here, as this could be a handy tool for other formatting changes down the line. Now, if your goal is to write something like x squared, highlight the number 2 in your text. Then look for the superscript option in the font dialog box and click on it. This will raise the number slightly above the baseline and reduce its size, giving you that clean x2 look. Perfect for when you need to express mathematical squares or any similar notation. For writing a chemical formula such as O2, you'll do something quite similar. Highlight the number 2 and this time click on the subscript option. Subscript drops the character slightly below the baseline, commonly used in chemical and scientific contexts. It's a quick trick but makes all the difference in accuracy and readability of your content. And that's it, you've seamlessly incorporated both superscript and subscript into your PowerPoint presentation, ensuring that your slides are as informative as they are visually appealing. Keep practicing and soon these methods will become second nature, making your presentations both professional and polished. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more PowerPoint tips.